Hello friends, myself Manjot Kaur, and today we are going to study structure of diborane. If we look at molecular formula of diborane B2H6, we may think that its structure is similar to that of ethane C2H6. Now going little deeper, let's try to find out whether it is true or not. Boron with atomic number 5 has electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p1, and of carbon it is 1s2 2s2 2p2. The bonding electrons which are involved in case of B2H6 are 12, and in case of ethane these are 14. So diborane is short of 2 electrons, so these two structures can't be similar to each other. Electron diffraction studies have shown in case of diborane bridged atoms are involved, whereas in case of ethane direct bond between the carbon-carbon atoms is involved, but in case of the diborane direct bond between this boron-boron atom is not involved. Now how can we explain the structure of diborane? In the excited form, the electrons are unpaired. These outer shell orbitals will get hybridized to form sp3 hybridized orbitals. Out of 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, 2 are involved in direct formation of bond between 2 hydrogen atoms. The 2 other lobes are present like this, hybridized lobes of boron atom. Hydrogen now combines simultaneously. First of all, I tell you that electrons in case of boron atom, 3 electrons are there, 2 electrons are directly involved with the formation of bond, and 1 electron is here. This lobe is empty. In case of the another boron atom, let's have this electron here in this lobe, and the 4th lobe is empty. Now hydrogen atom with 1 electron will simultaneously combine with 2 lobes of boron atom, resulting in formation of bond between these 2 boron atoms. Hydrogen atom here will also combine with 2 lobes. So in case of diborane, hydrogen atom acts as bridge between 2 boron atoms by overlapping simultaneously with 2 lobes of 2 boron atoms. Because of the typical shape of this bond, this is also known as banana bond. In case of diborane, there is a presence of 2 types of hydrogen atoms. 4 terminal hydrogen atoms. These are 4 terminal hydrogen atoms. These are made by general covalent bond by sharing of 2 electrons. So this is 2 center, 2 electron bond. And 2 bridged hydrogen atoms are there, in which there is involvement of 3 atoms. So 3 center, 2 electron bond is there. 2 boron atoms and 4 hydrogen atoms are present in same plane. And 2 bridging hydrogen atoms are present perpendicular to the plane of molecule. Okay friends, that's all with today's topic. If you like this video, then don't forget to click on thumbs up below. Do put in your comments as well. You can visit my website, and you can have a look at my blog too. My website is www.chemistryconcepts.guru, and my blog is chemistrytuitions.blogspot.in. Okay friend, that's all with today's topic, and I'll come next with another topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.